So look, in the following we're asked to get the area of a triangle, okay? To get the area of a triangle is really easy. All you have to use as the formula is a half AB sine C. Let me explain. On any triangle you'll have two lines that help form the triangle. All you need to know is you need to know the length of two sides. So let's say example 5 and 7. And if you know the angle in between them, you're more than capable of finding the area of the triangle. Is that okay? So if you know two sides and the angle in between them, you can then find the area of a triangle using a half AB sine C. Let me show you. So as an example would be if I wanted to find the area of question 2. The area of question 2 is a half AB sine C. What two sides do I know? So it's a half 5 multiplied by 8. What's the angle in between them? So just write down sine 65. A half 5 times 8 sine 65. Okay, you put that into the calculator. Is it? Okay. What did you say? Yes, you did. Now, 18.13. Okay. Does it say, and just so 18.13. It says they're given to you in centimeters. What's area measured in? Centimeters or centimeters squared? Centimeters squared. Okay. Now, that's how you do all of them. But if you look at question 4, the problem with question 4 is that you don't know, when you draw your two lines here, you actually don't know the angle that comes between the 8 and the 6. Can anybody suggest a way around that? Yeah. Add the other two sides, take it away from 180. What you get? 180 minus 72 minus 64. 44. So for this particular one, it's going to be a half 8 times 6 sine 44. And what you get for that, Lee? Anybody? It's okay. .67 centimeters squared. Okay. It then tries to get a bit fancier with the way to do these. So what it tries to do on you next is it tries to be smart, and it gives you only one. It only gives you one side this time. So it means this got to be a special type of triangle. Lee, what? You add up 32, 74, find the other one, and if it's an isosceles, the other side is the same. There we go. Lee called it. It's going to be 74 degrees, and then this here will also be a length of 9, because if it's an isosceles triangle, the two lengths, the 74 degrees looks at this one, and the other 74 degrees looks at that one. It means they both got to be a length of 9. Is that okay? Huh? Sorry. Because it's not a right angle triangle, there's no such thing as the hypotenuse. Opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse only exist in a right angle triangle. When I say opposite, opposite's still relevant though, because you can see that this side is opposite that angle, even though it isn't technically the opposite side. You once again use a half AB sine C, and what happens? What's the area going to get you? A half 9 times 9 sine. What you get, Cameron? So I didn't hear the first number. 21.46 centimeters squared. Okay. Everybody happy thus far? Okay, thus far. Now, these ones are the same thing. So as an example, these ones you're actually lacking a bit of information. Okay. So that's where this is going to come in. This time, apart from question 8, you haven't really got any angles this time. So I'm going to introduce you to this trick here, and I'm going to do question 9 using this trick here. Okay. First of all, what type of triangle is question 9? It's isosceles. How do you know it's isosceles? Two equal sides the same. So that's a 9, that's a 9, that's a 4. Now, this formula works off the principle that you label one of your sides A, one of your sides B, and one of your sides C. Doesn't matter what way you do it. So I can go 9, I can call B 4, I can call C 9. You can have any variation of that, it still works. The first thing I'm going to do is calculate a random letter called S. S stands for absolutely nothing. But when we use S, it can find us the area. Okay? So, as an example, S is equal to A plus B plus C all over 2. Everybody see that? A plus B plus C all over 2. So what we're going to get is 9 plus 4 plus 9 all over 2, which is going to equal 11. The S value is 11. Yes? Yeah. Nothing. That doesn't mean anything. Okay? It can be theta if you want it to be. Now, you'll see this little formula up here? It says the area. That there. We're now going to use this equation here to find the area of this triangle. Because remember, we had no angles at the start of the question, so we couldn't really do anything. So we have to do it a different way. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to say that the area, and there it is there, area equals square root of, now what is S? 11. 9. 11. Yeah. Minus 9. Close bracket, exactly, okay? And what we're going to get here is 11 bracket 2 bracket 7 bracket 2. We're going to put that into the calculator. Don't get too happy about it. And 77 times 4. What is it? 2 square root of 77 is our answer. That's our answer, 2 square root of 77. Cool. Okay guys, that's the area, and if you press the change button, Cameron, 17.55, okay? So, in class now,